How to replace the touchpad. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the touchpad ZIF connector and disconnect the touchpad ribbon cable from the touchpad. Carefully remove the touchpad ribbon cable from the adhesive that adheres it to the touchpad. Remove the 6 P0 Phillips head screws that secure the touchpad to the top cover. Lift the touchpad off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Replacement. Place the touchpad onto its alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the 6 P0 Phillips head screws that secure the touchpad to the top cover. Insert the touchpad ribbon cable into its ZIF connector on the touchpad and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Carefully press down on the touchpad ribbon cable to adhere it to the touchpad.